Hi, Internet! Ah! Why, hello, cat ladies and gentlemen. Bud is here to help me today on today's Ask a Cat Lady, which is more of a public service announcement about Loews hotels. You may have heard about the controversy with Loews hotel chain and the fact that they are not being nice to their feral population down in Florida. Thank you. They have kicked the kitties from their homes. Like that. Don't stay at the Loews hotel chain. And you can learn more about this on the article in the blog. And I'd like to really thank Dorian Wagner and Elizabeth Reynolds for their helpful advice and time that they've spent to protest the hotels and to take care of the kitties. So if you're out there protesting, this is for you. It's your new anthem. Actually, it's in another clip. Loews, 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 Loews. Why you gotta stoop so low and tell the kitties no, 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 no. You kick them from their homes, 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 homes. No one's asking for the moon. Compassion's what we want from you. Why'd you fire the bellman? The one true humanitarian who trapped, neutered, and released and took responsibility. You could control the population, prevent imminent reproduction. Loews, 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 Loews. Why gotta stoop so low? And tell the kitties no, 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 no. You kick them from their homes, 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 homes. If you've been the ones who want to help, you just shoot yourself in the foot, hurt the lives of all your cats, and make yourself look like an ass. Oh, Loews, Loews, Loews. Oh, I gotta stoop so low. Tell the kitties no, 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 no. Kick them from their homes, 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 homes. Yeah, it blows, 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 blows. And so we're here to let you know. Why gotta let it go? Did the hotel business suck your soul?